spark plug, coil pack with coil pack wires on 2003 Maxima, done by Scott's Auto Care.